viewers, welcome to my channel The Math Habit. Today I'm here again with another algebraic math problem, and I'll provide an easiest method to you guys. So let's follow me and go for the solution of this math problem. As our problem is 3x whole square is equal to 3x square. So if you notice that left hand side and right hand side are not equal to each other, because this is equal to 3x into 3x and this is 3x square. So if we further simplify it, we'll get 9x square is equal to 3x square. Now if we divide both sides with x square, we cannot further simplify it, so we'll divide both sides with 3. So dividing both sides of the equation by 3, it will be simplified further as 9 by 3x square is equal to 3 by 3 x square. 3 into 3 9, and this will be cancelled out and we will get only 3x square is equal to x square. For further simplification, we'll just move this x square to this side of the equation. 3x square minus x square is equal to 0. Now here, if you can notice that x squared is a common entity, so we can write this equation as x squared into 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. X squared into 2 as 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 0. Now for further simplification, we will divide this 2 by 2 and the right hand side by 2. This and this will be cancelled out, and x square will be equal to 0 and x will be equal to under root of 0, which is also equal to 0. So the value of x we have found is equal to 0, but it's time to verify the found answer. So let's verify the answer, and you guys know that for verification we'll put the value of x in the question. So the question was 3x whole square is equal to 3x square. By putting values of x, 3 into 0 whole square, as the value of x we have found is equal to 0, is equal to 3 into 0 square. 0 whole square is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0 again here. So it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the found answer is the final one because it is satisfying the given problem, which was 3x whole square is equal to 3x square. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel, and wait for my next video on another algebraic or exponential math problem. Wait for my next video. Take care. Bye.